Hello traders! On this bright morning, you are witnessing Alpha Fibonacci software in the live markets. I developed 40 systems plus, and I promise you the best things in the market are simple. This is simplicity playing out in front of you. And we discussed all of this with my students pre-market. Bullish trade reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Bullish trade came from bold green zone. Reached RZ reversal zone, market selling off. Intelligent trader who is using limitless brilliant brain understands this is junk, this is pain. If junk and pain is present, intelligent trader on sidelines. Your success starts with separating junk from power. This was power. This is not. Trades played out on multiple other charts. I choose to project software on 3-minute chart. Intelligent trader understands quite well. This morning, this is a level that's critical on every single chart. If I convert this chart to 5, to 10, to 15, to any chart you choose to trade, all of this discussed with my students pre-market. We need a powerful pullback. If weak pullback is present, intelligent trader on sidelines. There is nothing more to the story, nothing else that's critical, except powerful bearish pullback. If price is stuck in chop and pain, intelligent trader on sidelines. What else does the intelligent trader understand? Last week's sell-off came from institutional brick wall identified by Alpha Fibonacci system months in advance. Intelligent trader understands preservation of capital when it comes to retirement and investment accounts is critical. That's it. All of this identified months in advance. This is 2023. This is start of the Middle East crisis. We're discussing with my students every single day. Absolutely no short. This is where institutional loans waiting to be filled. Despite global catastrophe and catastrophe in the Middle East, markets skyrocketing with vengeance. You learned your lesson, you're not a gambler, you're using your limitless brain. And that's the market this morning on institutional chart versus retail. Without sell-off and crash, nothing here to do. Scanner running right above me. Intelligent trader understands with multiple other charts, we need sell-off, we need the crash. That's it. And that's how intelligent trader trades on multiple charts. Without speculation, with ultimate precision. When multiple alerts play out, it's institutional pullback. When junky little alert play out, it's meaningless. That's it. You need the power, not the single alert. If you choose to take a trade with a single alert, you choose to trade weakness. Price will be stuck in pain, price will be stuck in crawl. That's it. And that's a market in retail chop, in retail weakness. And that's how intelligent trader trades. No power, no multiple alerts, only a single. So when you start using your limitless brain and you remove all insecurity blankets, which is exactly what indicators are, the skies are the limit. You are not speculating, you are not gambling with your money, you're trading strategically. And that's the market this morning. So when price will collapse until key level, the bold green zone, software show you clearly. Monitor for long. Rules are met, take a trade. That's it. This is your trading range this morning, and you knew it well before market open. So this is an option in front of you without software. This is how many traders trade on different platforms. Software is never, ever, ever a requirement. Your spectacular effort is. In the course you learn the importance of this level. In the course you learn the simplicity of trading. This is the power of the system. When you operate in alpha wave, when you trade with precise entry, precise stop, precise target, you become relaxed, you become confident trader. Speculation is gone, pain is gone. You understand clearly the difference between retail crawl versus institutional crash. Have you seen institutional crash? Have you seen what played out the day before? This was serious profit taking. What was a beautiful thing when I was presenting a webinar and Carlton called and texted to me sharing that he took the short. Software portion here, no software option here. Traders on MT4, MT5, interactive brokers, TradeStation, trading the system since 2011. So what is the beautiful thing? When friends bringing friends, fathers bringing their children, husbands bringing their wives to the course. Carlton, multiple texts, multiple friends, and many more coming as he spoke during our bootcamp. So if you come to our YouTube channel and you click on the webinar YouTube, at the very end when I was finishing the webinar, listen to the phone call from Carlton I received. Healthcare executive who brought 5 friends to the course, sending so many more. Emmanuel brought his wife to the course, where simplicity and ultimate, predictive, proprietary rules are the core. On all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. So with the software option you knew quite well, before the market open, you need to monitor for short. The retail crawls, the retail pain, market right now reaching key, alpha, Fibonacci retail reversal point. Monitoring for bullish reversal. Converting this chart to 1. That's it. Rules are met, take a trade. Retail crawl only. There is nothing else. Only this is present. You decide what chart you want to trade. You decide the instrument. Identical event that playing out in front of you on S&P mini future on every single chart is the event that played out on Bitcoin. Identical. This is lifeline on Bitcoin, 63,000 level. This level is out, Bitcoin in free fall. This is identical level that played out on gold. Gold skyrocketed from alpha Fibonacci institutional buy point. Have you expected Apple to crush this level? 30% plus already? Did you know that in advance? Did you know where to buy the bottom on Apple and sell the top? Did you know where to buy the bottom on Nvidia in 2022 and sell the top? Nvidia skyrocketed 700 points. There is only one reason trading room open, so you see the reason why alpha Fibonacci system and software traded globally on all platforms, all instruments, all time frames by traders from beginner to hedge fund trader. Is anyone surprised? Should not be. After all, it's a reversal zone. It's a retail crawl, it's a retail pain. It's not institutional morning. So when you use your limitless brain, the skies are the limit. All the details in the live classes. It's a retail morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the software again. Retail pain, retail crawl only. No institutional power, only weakness is present. Intelligent trader understands with a single glimpse why price is stuck in pain. I promise you, the best things in the markets are simple. And when you can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci system or software for Ninja Trader 8. Retail morning. Retail crawl. No institutional power. But when you concentrate on simplicity and the power of green and red, you understand clearly. You will never ever need anything else. Identical pink line as you're witnessing on S&P that's stuck in pain because it's a retail crawl, it's a retail pain, is what playing out on Euro right now. Hedge fund traders trading this chart. Retail traders trading this chart. Have you seen good news in Europe? How is it possible that Euro skyrocketed from 95 until 113? Keep scrolling higher from institutional buy point. And again, identical thing on Amazon. Have you seen Amazon collapse 65% plus? Have you seen Amazon skyrocketing this year from the bottom? It's identical thing that playing out on S&P mini future in front of you right now. Right now, intelligent trader takes profits off the table, moving the stop outside of break even. In the course you learn, this is key target. In the course you learn to obey the rules. If you're trading multiple lot sizes, you're trailing carefully. You are not a gambler, you are not a speculator. You're using your limitless brain. Price collapses from this target high 80% of the time. Disrespecting this target is not wise. You're placing this trade on live account only after you master the strategy, because you have zero interest joining majority 95% that keeps speculating forever. In order to become top 5%, you need to stop thinking and trading as the bottom 95% does. And that's the only reason trading room open, so you can see without any delays why system and software traded globally since 2011 in US, in Dubai, in London, in Sierra Leone, out of all the countries, by United Nations member in Kenya, in Saudi Arabia, in France, in Italy, in Florida, in Kansas, in Denver, in California. Ultimate precision, ultimate alpha Fibonacci power is a must. And when you trade with rules, the sky's as a limit. You can trade all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. You are not surprised how price respecting this level. You're witnessing it every single time. Market preset by Alpha Fibonacci system. It's flawless, precise Alpha Fibonacci chess. You will never ever need anything else. And that stunning reminder of the importance of trading with ultimate precision, especially during retail chop. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system and software during market open. Please make a personal decision what's appropriate for you, your risk tolerance, your account. So when you come to the website, you can receive invitation to the trading room where you can see system and software and the live markets. But please do view our students' performance, our students' results, and understand you can trade stocks anywhere you live. You can trade options in retired trading alpha Fibonacci system. You can trade Forex. You can trade futures. You can trade crypto, as traders have done all over the world, on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. View students' reviews and do not hesitate to contact me under Contact Us section. But first, review 4 packages appropriate for you. Lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8 with private mentoring and group class is the most desirable option. Group course is the most popular option. During the month of April, I will include bootcamp recordings, which is additional value of $27.77. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Savings for private mentoring with bootcamp over $10,000. Savings for this group course over $7,000. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much for spectacular morning.